Good evening.
Evening, you too. How are you today?
Okay, I'm doing great. Okay, so today let us have 9A pre-intermediate. Okay, I will share to you. Okay, can you hear me, Sally?
Yeah, I am here well.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, so look at the photos of the gadgets A to D. Do you think they're good or bad idea? And which is your favorite and why?
Hmm, I think number A is good.
Why do you think it's letter A?
Table tennis door, I think it's good too.
Yeah, A and B.
C, I think it's not good at all because it will make our body and make us will be like
Okay.
lazy more. And you?
Yeah. So letter A is better.
Letter C, I think
Okay.
it's not good too.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
So we have here the word
Aluminium.
aluminum.
Cardboard.
Cardboard.
Copper.
Ceramic.
Ceramic.
Concrete.
Concrete.
Copper.
Copper.
Iron.
Iron.
Leather.
Leather.
Nylon.
Nylon.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Steel.
Steel.
Stone.
Stone and
Wood.
wood. Okay. Check the meaning of the words below. Then listen and repeat. Okay.
Unit 9. Lesson 9A. Exercise 2.
Aluminium, cardboard, ceramic, concrete, copper, glass, gold, iron, leather, nylon, paper, plastic, rubber, steel, stone, wood.
Aluminium, cardboard, ceramic, concrete,
Mm-hmm.
copper, glass,
Mm-hmm.
gold,
Mm-hmm.
iron,
Mm-hmm.
leather,
Mm-hmm.
nylon, nylon,
It's nylon.
nylon,
Mm-hmm.
paper, plastic, rubber, steel, stone, and wood.
Okay. So these are materials that we can use in everyday tales that we can have, like when you build a house, when you build a building, like that. Okay. Now do the quiz, then check your answer. Okay, please do the quiz and you can check on me. Just check, okay?
Very well.
Yan. May ba? Wala. This is Michael. Yan. You will love me. Very chat.
Hindi na ba? Paguli naman yung ganito. Magkakalayo sa iyo. Para sa peace of mind nila lahat.
Tama mo ako. Para I can shout to the world, anak ko to. Ano sa akin to? Yes. Ang natin. Last words.
Kung ako nasa opisina, wala akong kamalay-malay. Nakalipad ka na pala na Singapore? Oh, nakita ka ni Gia Howard. Dramatic. Touching.
Fact. Kung pangungunahan ang galit mo, ay ikaw, Stina, ang mali.
Yes.
Okay.
Tell me about Gia.
During World War II, scientists used dandelions. Okay, it's rubber. Okay, the first bicycle had wheels made of wood with iron tires. Oh, there's a wood, Sally, and iron. Which one of these materials did the ancient Romans not have? It's the paper. Okay. And are these sentences true or false? Okay, it's letter A. All types of wood float in water. It's false. No. Okay. No type of stone floats in water. Again, it's false. Okay. There are type of stones that floats in water. And the earliest use of nylon was in where? Okay, it in toothbrushes. Which of these metals is the hardest and which is heaviest? It's hardest and the heaviest. Hardest is steel. Heaviest, gold.
Pero hindi ko na yung gagawin ngayon at hindi ko ititigil yung risk na masaktan rin ang kostata mo sa Bella!
Hindi ko rin payagan sa kanya. Hindi na. Dito magkakamit ang Lucy. Pero huwag mo kakalimutan.
Curve,
Si Gia,
having a round
kailangan ko
shape.
siya.
Spherical,
Siya, anak.
Spherical.
like sphere in the shape.
At sisiguraduhin ko na pagsisisihan
Having
natin
a shape
pa sila sa
like a rectangle,
Buo kong pagpapatay.
like a triangle in shape.
Assume
Having the shape of a circle, round, circular, of course.
siya.
Allow to let somebody have something. Base, the lowest part of something, especially the part of the surface on which it rests or strands. Handle, of course, the part of an object such as cup, a bag, or a tool. Means is the system of providing gas electricity to a building or carrying away it from building. Okay, now, please try to write here. Okay, you write your answer in this
Okay.
one.
All right. It's a wrap, everyone. Thank you.
Wait a minute. Wait,
There's still so much to do then. And I told you, I don't want it.
Gusto mo maganda. Paligid.
Kaya na. Alam mo to, nandun naman si tatay, nag-gusto kami gagawin. Ikaw lang ako dito sa labas.
Everyone. I know we all miss Gia,
Okay?
CEO and owner of RJE Singapore. Palakpakan natin ang
A1. This is mains powered, battery powered, solar powered, cordless. It's okay. It is mostly a glass. Okay, handle. Okay, it's got wheels, long handles, triangles, square lid. Okay, next, it allows you to blank. Allows. Okay, so we have here, listen to the dialogue 1, which phrases from task 4 do the people use? Okay.
Lesson 9A. Exercises 6 and 7. 1.
This is lovely. Isn't it lovely? What is it exactly?
It's a coffee machine.
Oh, yes, of course. Is it battery powered?
No, it's mains powered. Look, the cable's here, under the base. If you press this button, the plug appears.
That's clever. I love it. It's perfect for my kitchen at home. I'll come back later today and buy it.
Would you like to try a cup before you go?
I'm sorry?
A cup of coffee.
Oh, no thanks. I never drink coffee. Horrible stuff.
Lesson 9A. Exercises 6 and 7. 1.
This is lovely. Isn't it lovely? What is it exactly?
It's a coffee machine.
Oh, yes, of course. Is it battery powered?
No, it's mains powered. Look, the cable's here, under the base. If you press this button, the plug appears.
That's clever. I love it. It's perfect for my kitchen at home. I'll come back later today and buy it.
Would you like to try a cup before you go?
I'm sorry?
A cup of coffee.
Oh, no thanks. I never drink coffee. Horrible stuff.
So the phrase from task 4, do the people use is means mostly main and
What else? So of course, when you describe technology, we have the shape, the power, constructions, and the use of it.
Oh, wow.
I think it's mains.
The means. Okay, so let us have this. It is the power, the battery powered, mains powered, correct? Okay, another for shape. Okay, first construction, we have a long handler. Okay, we have the triangular base. Okay, for constructions, it's also mostly glass. Okay, please try to complete the 0 conditional sentences from the dialogues with the correct form of the verbs below.
And want the world peace for the world. So sweet. I'm so confused. Ano ginawa ni Gia for her to feel that scared of facing? You know what, Marianne? Wala siya concern.
Everything turned out different.
What are you talking about? Oh my God. Ang concept ko, okay, ako, balik na kami. Isa. Sa lahat. Alas 10.
Okay? So you have the word if you press, come, post, goes. Okay. And gets. Okay. So read the text. Do you think the Mars One project is good idea? Give reasons to your answer.
Teacher, give me a minute, please.
Okay? Okay, you can speak up.
Walang physical injuries, no, nothing. Pero taas yung BP niya when she arrived. Thankfully, it has normalized now. Siguro sa matinding tension and stress lang. Kaya naman natin magpahinga ang pasyente, okay? Once you wakes up, pa siya uli, and we'll see kung pwede na siya makauwi. Makauwi? Sigurado ka, Dr. Morales, baka kailangan pa niya mamonitor. She collapsed from too much stress. Alamin niyo, Regine. O sige, pwede kasalanan ko na lang. You wanted to tell Dana the truth. Free Gia from the burden of guilt. Pero yung epekto sa kanya, hindi niyo inisip.
Okay, in my opinion,
After your opinion, okay, go. Louder, make your voice louder, please, Sally.
Wait, what?
Okay, make your voice louder. Okay, go.
Okay.
I mean your computer, maybe your computer. Okay, go.
I think the Mars One project is not a good idea because the oxygen is almost in the Mars there almost no oxygen. The settlers will have to cope with very low temperatures, similar to Antarctica, like Nepal or something. It's cold and very high levels of ultraviolet radiation. Gravity is only 38% of that on Earth. We need to learn more about the effect that would have on their bodies. Mars rovers have already searched for water on Mars, but have found none that is in liquid form. If I can live without the others, but there no waters, I can't live and will die soon. So I'm not going to give it a good idea.
Okay, so of course, it's not good. The Project Mars 1 that they are planning to build up is not really good. Okay, so as what you have said, you are correct. The atmosphere consists of 95% carbon dioxide and almost no oxygen. No oxygen. Okay, the settlers will have to cope up with the very low temperatures. Gravity is only 38% of the Earth. Imagine, we need to learn more about the effect that would have on their body. So actually, if you think it's settled and the plan is to send another rover to Mars in 2018, its job will be to prepare for the arrival of our first 4 settlers in 2025. It will construct houses for the inhabitants like this. After that, 4 more settlers will arrive every 2 years. So, how long will the settlers stay? Nobody knows. The volunteer settlers will get one-way ticket. So it may be possible to bring them back to Earth at some point in the future. But there is no guarantee. Okay, we cannot guarantee them if they can go back again to Earth because of the condition. Imagine you're living in Mars with no oxygen. That would be very, very sad. Okay? So look at the highlighted verb plus preposition. Find 6 more. 2 with 4, 1 with about, 1 with of, 1 with to, and 1 with. Okay, please underline. Example appeals to, like that. Take part in. This is verb plus preposition collocation. Please underline.
Pero mag-undergo po ata tayo ng therapy tsaka rehabilitation kasi pa siya nakakasalita at hindi pa siya nakalakad ng ano. Wow. Thank you. Bye. Kailan kayo matatapos ng mga kasalanan ko? Ha? Ano naman eh? Kailan pa naging mali ako sa At hanap sabihin na kung sino at hindi. Ngayon mo naman eh, hindi naman pala na kaya. Pero lilipasin ng lahat siya. So, ang mahalaga, ingatan mo ang kailangan mo magpalakas. Pair up to 2 years for the day. My favorite product of Recipe and Burns has a lot of texture and delivers a high level of value. Dana, and the clothes for the anniversary party. They're from your favorite designer. Yeah. Sana anak, hindi nasayang. Wala ka ulit. Palahan. Buhay ka lang. Being unfair to the one person who never did it for me, and that's me.
Galing. Okay. Okay.
Not yet. I did the one with about. One with about.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm finished.
Okay. Adjust to. Medyo mag-back up mo. Cope with. Learn more about. Search for. Prepare for. Okay, so this one. Another. Complete the sentences with the words below. Use dictionary to check your answer if you need to.
Finish.
Wala concern. Kay buhat sa babayab. Isa magkudadan si iyang uyab sa aming cashier.
Oh.
Isa kay
Kana ang imong problema.
pamilya na.
Okay.
Mga pamilya.
Of, cast, loved, and with. Yay, very good. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so Sally, okay, so we don't have enough time, but this is the last one. Please underline, Sally, the correct prepositions to complete the sentences. Okay.
Okay. We're finished.
Yan ang mga nurse. Mga blue.
About four. Oh, about very good, Sally. About of to
Ha?
at
Ano po?
to about to and when. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay, thank you. Okay, so Sally, teacher Ann don't have enough time, so teacher will say goodbye. I will see you next week, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye,
Good
teacher.
night.
Have a good night.
Yes, good night, Sally girl.